standing good? All right. Everybody's been wondering what the weight is on the new 858. We've got a 146/26 track with a big screen. So scan down here, show you guys that it's an 858. We're gonna fill it with oil, fill it with fuel, show you how much it weighs. So I already took the oil cap off. We fill it with nothing but the best two-stroke racing oil. I don't use none of that Amsoil stuff. We'll fill her up. And the key is, folks, not to mix your oil. So I drained the oil tank of green oil and put green back into it. And now I'm putting red oil in it because green and red actually match. I know. Frickin' dog. All right, now we had this struggle last year when we did this. We couldn't find fuel. All right, now we're gonna fuel it up with fuel. And I got the safety fuel thing. Well, don't do what we did last time and do that. Spill it. Don't be that jackass. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I was a real fan of these gas jugs, but I'm not anymore. No, it stopped pouring because I didn't have it tipped right.
So you're mad at physics.
Shoot! Gosh darn it. That's YouTube cursing right there.
There's still fuel in there, but I don't care. Next! Hi!
So it's not good. So now we're thinking ring handings. Because one of the pistons did.
Woo! She is right there at the top. All right, I want you to slide these. Oh, we need to turn that on real quick. This is an electric start model. I don't pull ropes anymore. With the stock battery, which is obviously coming out. Put a chrome battery in there, baby. All right, let's turn this on and see if it's at 0 first. Nope. So everybody sees is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, if you want to just stand back there while. One. Two. Told you to work out.
I'm working now.
So you need to put this one button. The middle needs to be right on that arm, and then the front one needs to be where that shock mount is. Aight. You can turn this. Not that it really matters because we're not trying to set up shock. All right, let's see what it's at. Holy cow! 538 pounds. I thought that was supposed to be lighter.
She's thick.
Well, considering that track weighs about 12 pounds more. Those ones we weighed on the other ones were non-electric starts, which adds quite a bit of weight.
This one had lunch before too.
I had lunch. She's a little thicker. She's a little thicker than the Snickers. Oh, whoops, take it. About 540 pounds. Dadgum, I did not think it was going to weigh that much. Dang it, it's not a 12. All right, let's take that out real quick.
Hello. Starting trap or what? I knew it. I didn't even have to really guess, but I did. Going accurate.
Put on our lightweight durability kit from Chrome. Durability, huh? Yep. It's actually more durable. You don't know why? Because it's lithium ion. Go green, baby. I don't know if I can get this big old son of a... I work out. Told you. All right, let me take the... Let me take this off. Gotta take this... Oh, we'll leave the screws on because that's part of it. But we'll take it. What's your weight now, old big dog? 525. That's a 15-pound battery? Now, if we take the 2.6 track off, that's another, like, what, 12 or 15 pounds I think that thing weighs? So you're looking at like 512, right around where the 600 was. So you've got 171 horse, I think, at dyno or whatever. Same weight as the 600 was. I don't know, boys. It's pretty impressive for me. That's a stock can, too. I'm going to remove that thing and put a little Turbski on it. It's impressive.
Oh, the cat.
All right, stop putting the can.
I'm gonna put a Hello Kitty sticker right where your art cat is.